My stocks for July 2020. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Antoinetta and I'd like to welcome you to my series for investments. As usual, I'm bringing all the juicy details about stocks and investments for new, intermediate and expert investors. When it comes to stock investment, many companies offer great growth and profit to investors. However, there are so many companies to choose from that both new and old investors are confused as to which company to invest in and which to avoid. Stocks are a great choice for investment, and I have regularly spoken about the various benefits and reasons why stocks are really a great and amazing choice for investments. As long as you want to earn a favorable return without spending your time actively working on it, then the stocks investment is the best answer for you. This is why in my video post, especially today, I would like to give you a list of 3 of my best stocks for July 2020, what I'm planning to buy this month. These stocks I have tried and can really bet for their progress level and how successful they will be in the long run. Let us find out more about them. My list with 3 stocks are NVIDIA. It is a company that is grounded and rooted in designing and manufacturing the best graphics processing unit. The graphics processing unit, as compared to central processing units, processes data in a more advanced system, while the GPUs specially process graphics. The NVIDIA invention of the gaming graphics processing unit sparked the rapid demand for gaming computers. The computer games or PC games input as well as system on chips or SoCs for the mobile computing and automotive markets is obviously what this company is known for. Game lovers always go for this input device to have great gaming experience. For decades, NVIDIA company has widened its capabilities to advance in processing units for autonomous driving and artificial intelligence to make life easier for humans. This venture will reduce the rates of human-related accidents and inaccurate results. The future is moving into self-driven automobiles and artificial intelligence. NVIDIA's exceptional technological production in these past years has been exceptional. In the past 3 years, the company has had its revenue appreciated at 19.4%. In consequences, the NOPAT margin is really beautifully. Returns on invested capital also appreciate about 50% over the same period, extending to as high as 95% in 2018. With very small and manageable amounts of debt, these results were achieved, and that has made a mark in the industry. The company is run under the best administrative skills, as they have an exceptional rating on Glassdoor, which proves how happy and devoted the labor force is. In 2019, the SP Global 1,200 companies and some 99% of reviewers approved the CEO and co-founder Jensen Huang as best, as he holds 3.5% of NVIDIA shares. Morningstar mentions a reasonable reimbursement as they cultivate the burning desire to uncover smart investment ventures and smart dealings with this rating. This makes NVIDIA the right choice for investment as they have achieved such a high standard portfolio. NVIDIA price $404.34, market cap $248 billion, price earning ratio 75, dividend amount in yield is 0.17%. The second stock that I chose for July is IDEX. A high percentage of IDEX laboratories, IDEX revenue and income are obtained from the sales of diagnostic equipment and the consumables used with the equipment vets that used to operate treatments to our pets. The consumables are specific to the equipment. Once veterinary personnel acquire a piece of IDEX equipment, they must purchase supplies from only IDEX. This handshake model generates a passive flow of recurring revenue. IDEX also deals in sales a wide range of products and services. This includes medical testing products for humans, livestock industry, diagnostic equipment, and water testing equipment. In recent years, the company's revenue has appreciated at an acceptable annual rate of 10.7%. The profit margin extended from 14.1% in 2016 to 19%. Over the past year, its return on invested capital were the apex of 20% among its peer group. According to new constructs, its 3-year average has been rising in each of the past 3 years. The company covers its interest payments by an acceptable healthy margin, although it is in debt with over $1 billion. IDEX, current price $336.12, market caps 28 billions and price earnings ratio is 67. My third company is Abwe. Abwe, current price $99.28, market cap 174 billions and price earnings ratio is 17.50. Abwe is one of the only 2 names in the list that made the list of the best dividend stocks in 2019. Abwe is a mega cap pharmaceutical that makes Humira one of the best-selling drugs worldwide. Abwe, current price $99.28, market cap 174 billions and price earnings ratio is 17.50. The company's return in 2019 were jeopardized by the surprise $63 billion buyout of Botox market Allergan AGN at a hefty markup of 45%. There was word that the Abwe was paying too much for Allergan, but things turned around for the better in the stock market after some time. Even after coronavirus inspired a sell-off, shares were more than 50% above the 2019 lows. Abwe pays a hefty dividend and has spiked its annual payout for the last 47 years. Stocks are all about long-term investment. Of course, following these 3 choices is a great idea. It is an especially useful idea to follow this as a newcomer in the stock world. But just to confirm and just to underline, I'm not a financial advisor, so you need to do your own research too. My channel is only for educational and entertainment purposes. If you have tried these 3 stocks and have found them profitably, kindly let me know in the comment sections below and I will be able to give my reply to any questions or suggestions you may have. If you would want to get regular updates on useful topics like this, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Also like and share this video for a little support. And I'd like to find out about you as well. What are you planning to buy in July? Do you think these 3 stocks are good buy as well? So I really would like to find more and for your opinion. I need to hear your opinion, so please don't forget to leave your comment down below. So till next time, stay green and motivated.